Alright. Wow, this is a full house. I just walked backstage and I could hear the crowd through the wall and I thought, okay, either they're excited or something caught fire, but no, this is real excitement. And honestly, tonight is going to be one of those nights that people will look back on and say, that was the moment the future stopped being a concept and started being a product. So thank you for being here. We've got employees in the audience, engineers, investors, creators, students. I see some parents here too. That's always cool because it means you're bringing someone into the future with you. Now, let's just address the obvious question. Yes, we are going to talk about Yes, we are going to show you what we've been building. And yes, we are going to make an announcement that changes the entire roadmap. But before we do that, I want to start with something simple a lot of people still don't understand. What Tesla is, they think Tesla is a car company, or a battery company, or a robot company, or an AI company, or a solar company. The truth is, Tesla is a real-world problem-solving company. We look at the world and we ask, what's the bottleneck to human progress? And then we try to delete that bottleneck. Transportation was a bottleneck. We solved a huge part of that. Energy storage was a bottleneck. We're solving that. AI autonomy was a bottleneck. We're solving that. But the biggest bottleneck is labor, not jobs. Labor, because if you think about it, everything you want to build requires human time. Everything, every building, every road, every car, every phone, every factory, every hospital, every meal, every package delivered. Human time is the ultimate limited resource, and if you can create a machine that can do physical work safely, intelligently, and cheaply, then you can unlock an economy that doesn't have the constraints we've lived with for thousands of years. That's why Optimus exists. Not because robots are cool. They are cool, but that's not the reason Optimus exists, because it's the single biggest product opportunity in the history of Earth. And not exaggerating, if you have a robot that can do useful work, it's not just worth trillions. It's worth tens of trillions. It's basically a new species of labor now. I know some people hear that and they get nervous. They say, robots will take jobs. Robots will replace humans. Robots will destroy society. Look, I understand the fear, I really do. But here's the truth. We already live in a world where there isn't enough labor for what we need. Go to any factory. Go to any warehouse. Go to any construction site. Go to any hospital. Ask them, are you fully staffed? They'll laugh. The world has more work than humans can do. And the work is getting harder because populations are aging, so what we're building isn't replacing people, it's saving civilization from a labor shortage. And we're doing it in a way that's safe, controllable, and scalable. So, with that said, let's talk about where we are right now. The reality of Optimus Todai. A lot of people online still think Optimus is like a prototype in a lab. They think it's like those old videos where robots fall over or robots do backflips, but they're tethered to a power cord. And I want to be clear, those companies did great work. But Tesla's approach is different. We are not building a stunt robot. We are building a mass-produced general-purpose robot. That means the robot has to be affordable, durable, repairable, manufacturable, energy-efficient, safe around humans, smart enough to learn new tasks quickly, and scalable to millions of units per year. That is the hardest engineering problem on Earth, and it's why nobody has done it yet. But we're doing it. Optimus Gen 3 is real. It exists. It works. It is already doing tasks inside Tesla. Not in the future. Not in a demo. Not maybe next year. Right now. And the reason we can do this is because we're leveraging something no other robotics company has. We already solved the hardest part of autonomy. The brain. Tesla has the most real-world AI training data in existence for vision-based decision-making. Cars drive through chaos every day. Rain, snow, glare, construction zones, pedestrians, bicycles, animals, everything. We took that entire architecture, the vision stack, the planning stack, the neural networks, and we adapted it to a humanoid robot. So Optimus isn't programmed in the old sense. It learns. It generalizes. And that's why it's different now. I want to talk about Gen 3 first because Gen 3 is the bridge. Gen 3 is the moment Optimus goes from amazing demo to real factory product. And tonight, I'm going to show you the Optimus Gen 3 production line. But I also have something else we're going to reveal. Optimus Gen 4, and Gen 4 is not an incremental update. It's a major leap, a true leap. Optimus Gen 3. The production line is real, okay? So, first, Optimus Gen 3. When we started Optimus, people made jokes. A lot of jokes. Some said, this is a distraction. This is vaporware. This is a publicity stunt. But here's what we did instead of arguing. We built the actuators. We built the joints. We built the hands. We built the power system. We built the battery. We built the compute. We built the vision stack. We built the training pipeline. We built the safety layer, and then we put it in a factory, because the factory is where reality lives. A factory doesn't care about your marketing. A factory doesn't care about your tweets. A factory doesn't care about your hype. A factory only cares if something works, so we put Optimus Gen 3 into tasks that are boring. Because boring is hard. It's easy to show a robot do a trick once. It's hard to make a robot do it